Alright, so we're going to get started with this texture rendering and lighting lesson. This is chapter 2. And what we're going to do is just open this little file up and rename this first name, last name, unit 2. There we go. Okay, so in here you have a single Maya scene. We're going to open that up. Lots of different color spheres. We're going to turn this, close this out, close this out, and I should have Maya right here. There we go. Okay, so this is what we have. We have this little town, and we're going to do all the UVs in here and teach you a whole bunch of different things about UVs and how to do different kinds of assets, like here's windows and this fire escape. And you'll notice that this thing is broken up into several small little pieces, and each piece has kind of a correlation with the next piece. So what I'm talking about here is, if you notice, this piece repeats itself quite often within the scene. Okay, this piece repeats itself quite often within the scene. Same with this one, same with this one. Okay, so this, what this does, I'm training you to kind of think how to model for a game engine. The idea is you want to keep like pieces around, because in the engine this only counts as one piece. If it has instances of that object, those don't count. Neither do the textures. So that's the greatest thing about it. So if all these were sharing the same texture, it would be very lean on the engine. And if they were all sharing the same geometry, it would be very lean on the engine. And that's what we have to do, is lean down things. This door repeats a couple times. This window repeats a few times. In fact, if you look over here, they have the same window over and over again. Same geometry. So therefore, same texture space. So everything now, you might notice, is everything colored needs its own texture space, and everything gray can be ignored. So that cuts down the job in about 1/2. It's still a very arduous task, no doubt about it, but together we're going to learn a lot about UVs and how to lay them out. Okay, this is the introduction video to the chapter, and we'll get started with the next video.